Hi pioneers, today I'm going to show you how we can actually make animations with the help of CSS. In CSS, we are able to create animation by using the feature keyframes. So, the animation gradually changing is created by from one set of CSS styles to another. During the animation, you can change the set of CSS styles many times, like from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and go on. You can specify the change in percent, like 0% is the initial state and 100% is the final state, or with the keyword from and to, same with the initial state from and to is the final state. The syntax of keyframe is add keyframes, the name of animation. You can give any name to your animation, keyframe selector, the selector or the HTML element on which you want to apply your animation, and then CSS styling. Here I have created a simple page and added a little CSS for styling. Now I just want this design to be more attractive and interactive as well, and by using keyframe we are going to animate this design. I just want this text coming from the top, so for this I need to animate this text, and I just need to assign or declare my keyframe. The name of animation, move top, and using the percent, 0% top, 80 pixels, or whatever you want to give. I just want to give this in minus, so my text will go on top and is not showing to us. And the initial position top this. Now this is the HTML element on which I wanted to apply animation. Here I have to declare animation, the name of animation, move top, and the duration. I think 6 seconds is enough. So here we have applied our animation successfully. Now I just want this border to come from the left side, and to make it moving we should use keyframe, move right, and I'm using the from one, like okay, left. You can actually give any value. Now to left, the initial left is 850 pixels, so I'm going to give the 850 pixel to it, and this is the one on which we want animation, name of animation, move right, and duration. We should have to declare the duration as well. Yes, so by using keyframe we are able to animate it successfully. We can also animate SVGs as well by using keyframe animations. We'll surely gonna tell you about SVG animation as well in our upcoming tutorials, so stay tuned.